The Microsoft Power Platform Functional Consultant PL-200 exam is designed to assess the skills and knowledge of candidates who can configure and use Power Platform solutions to meet business needs. The exam covers topics such as creating apps and automations, analyzing data, implementing security and governance, and integrating with other services. Passing the PL-200 exam validates the ability to perform the role of a Power Platform functional consultant and demonstrates the value of this certification in the market. 1. You plan to create a data flow by using Power Query to transform the data. You observe that some cells display an error instead of the expected data. You need to obtain more details about the errors. What should you do? A. Select the row that includes the cell with the error. B. Use the flow checker. C. Select the cell with the error. D. Use the app checker. E. Use the advanced editor. 2. You have a Canvas app with an embedded Power BL tile. You share the Canvas app. Users report that they are unable to access the Power BL content. You need to determine why users are unable to access the content. What is the cause of the user's problems? A. The Power BL dashboard is not shared. B. The Power BL interactions property on the Power BL tiles is set to off. C. The Power BL connection is not shared. D. The Power BL display mode property on the Power BL tiles is set to disabled. 3. You create a parent entity and a child entity. The parent entity has a 1:n relationship with the child entity. You need to ensure that when the owner changes on the parent record that all child records are assigned to the new owner. You need to configure the relationship behavior type. What should you use? A. Parental. B. Referential, restrict delete. C. Referential. D. Restrict. 4. A company uses Power Apps with Microsoft Dataverse. The company enables auditing on the Dataverse database. The company tenant reaches the maximum storage capacity. You need to delete some auditing data. Which 3 deletion options should you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. By table. B. By record. C. Between 2 specified dates. D. By column. E. Older than a specified date. 5. A company collaborates by using Microsoft Teams. You must create a Power Apps app directly from within a Teams channel. The app will be used by members of the channel to manage sales orders. You need to create the app by using Dataverse for Teams. How should you create the app? A. Create a Canvas app by using a Power Apps personal app in Teams. B. Create a Canvas app by using the App Studio app. C. Use the Power Apps web designer. D. Create a model-driven app by using the App Studio app. 6. A company has locations in the United States, Brazil, India, and Japan. The company conducts financial transactions in all of these regions. Financial transactions in Brazil are going to stop, but the office will remain open. Users must longer be able to create records associated with the Brazilian currency. Historical records must remain intact. You need to configure Microsoft Dataverse to meet the requirement. What should you do? A. Rename the Brazilian currency. B. Delete the Brazilian currency record. C. Disable the Brazilian language pack. D. Deactivate the Brazilian currency record. 7. The sales manager receives a list of leads from a partner company monthly. The field names that are provided do not match the fields in Dynamics 365. A data map does not exist. You need to import the leads without changing the data from the partner company. What should you do? A. Create a data map in Data Management. B. Add a template for import data. C. Use import field translations. D. Create a data map on the first import by using the Import Data Wizard. 8. A user has access to an existing Common Data Service database. You need to ensure that the user can create Canvas apps that consume data from Common Data Service. You must not grant permissions that are not required. Which out-of-the-box security role should you assign to the user? A. Environment Admin. B. System Customizer. C. Common Data Service User. D. Environment Maker. 9. You are a dynamic sales administrator for a car dealership. The dealership uses only out-of-the-box functionality. When a new car is sold, the salesperson uses a Word template to generate a letter from the quote to thank the customer. You need to determine if you can revise the template. Which Word template change can you make? A. Add the discount field conditionally. B. Format the table to have alternating color rows. C. Format the created on field to a long date format. D. Add the address of the customer. 10. A company creates a Microsoft Power Apps app through the Power Apps Designer portal for use in Microsoft Teams. This app needs to be promoted to the user acceptance testing environment. You need to complete the Microsoft recommended actions before you export the solution. Which 2 actions should you complete? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Write validation tests. B. Set the optimized embedding appearance field to true. C. Publish all changes. D. Run the solution checker. E. Clone a solution.